Well, here he is with our LS powered 944 here. Just got our new tires on it. They're a set of BF Goodrich Comptiers, 225 50/16s in the front and 245 50/16s in the back. So the back is got slightly more diameter than the original factory size, but we're going to go with it. The 245 55/16 seems to only be available in like track tires. So we don't want track tires because we're going to drive this every day. We're going to drive it in the rain and probably not in the snow, but probably everything else you can think of. So there on it. I think we got the suspension adjusted pretty good. Going to put the front sway bar on it, and then we will be ready to take it for a real spirited ride. Well, that was a good little test drive. I got the sway bar on it, got the suspension all adjusted, and went out for a quick drive just to see how it was, and it started pouring down rain. So we got to do a rain test too. Well, with the new tires in there, I'm glad I have the new tires now, because wow, that would have been a little interesting with the old bulb tires, but with the new Comptiers, it was no problem. I just have to figure out how to work the defroster now. That's not going to work that great because it doesn't have AC, so it doesn't have quite the drying effect as it would with AC. So yeah, but it's really humid here today. It was like 96 degrees. Now we got thunderstorms going through. So, but yeah, it felt really good in the rain. I mean, that's the other thing I really liked about these cars. I mean, the weather doesn't seem to phase them. You can still drive stupid fast in the pouring rain, which is kind of weird and sometimes unsettling, but you go and it's like, wow, it actually feels really good. So yeah, there we are. New tires, cleaned up wheels, car all wet, underneath's all wet now, and it's really pouring down rain. It was really pouring down some of the roads I was on. I was only on a, I don't know, what it's about 4 or 5 mile run, and it started really pouring when I got about a mile out, so most of it was really, really wet. Also, last week we got the Porsche emblem off of the fiberglass nose that came with this car and stuck it on there. It's not perfect, but hey, the nose panel isn't perfect. I mean, it's actually perfectly straight, but the paint's pretty faded out on it, and the paint on the car isn't great. It's okay. So it's kind of fitting.